Hey there everyone, SEMO-MAC here again. Like I told you on the other videos, I've been busy, really busy buying stuff to give y'all more reviews. I'm going to continue telling y'all that yes, I still buy Bauer. I picked up another thing. On my last video that I talked about, I was buying stuff when they had their coupons that are coming out, as far as their 15% off one item and then their 30% off anything under $10. So what did I pick up on one of those days? Bauer Jig Saw. They're cordless. And we're gonna open this because I have not opened it yet because I wanted to share it with y'all. I picked this up, and once again, like I told you with the circular saw, they were putting a lot of their brushed cordless tools on sale. This is another one. They had it on clearance. So I got to use the 15% because you can stack that coupon on that on your clearance items. So I got 15% off of this. It was clearance for $24.95. I got the 15% off that. I paid this just over 20 bucks. It was like 20 bucks and some change is what it was. So let's see what we got. Owner's manual. Yes, y'all know I do read them. And what else we got here? We got the tool. And we got the guide. So let's put the manual back in here. Let's see what we got. So, got this out here. And my trash can's over there, so let's throw this back in the box. All right. Bauer Jig Saw. Oh, okay. So, I'm going to tell you right now, the Jig Saw is probably the most underrated tool that has ever been made when it comes to power tools. I use these. I actually had that I bought from Harbor Freight years ago, and I mean years. It has been 12 years. I had a Pittsburgh. No, I'll take that back. It was that Chicago Electric when they were running those, and they still run some Chicago Electric stuff. But it was a corded Chicago Electric Jig Saw, and the reason why I bought this is because I just now burned that thing up. I was trying to do some cuts on some wood that I was dealing with, and it finally just gave up the ghost. It said after 10, 12 years, however long I've had it, it was done. It didn't want to go no more. I literally burned it up. So while I was out running around, I actually saw this. And like I said, they had it on clearance. They only had one left, so I picked it up. And it looks like it's pretty well made. Looks like we've got your different cut speeds, and one thing I do like, if you see right here, it actually gives you the different, pull it up there so you can actually see it. It gives you the different speeds for the cuts of the different materials, which that's pretty nice. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So it looks like your 0 here is your metal, your 1 is your general purpose, 2 USB, and number 3 is going to be your hardwood. So that's cool there. I actually really like that. I've never seen that done before on there. So not only is Bauer giving you good products, it's giving you information to how to run their products. So what is this? This is your lock. So I'm assuming that is, yep, that is to move that back and forth. That's pretty cool. Lock that in place. Used to be just a screw, now it's a little lock. So pretty much this is to unlock where you can adjust your guide there. So pretty nifty. I like that. Oh, hey, I even like that even better. So this is your lock, so you can actually pull and turn. That's pretty cool. So you can actually do your different sides on there as well. Lock it back in place. Let's see, there's that's your lock. Okay. Well, hey, let's give it a test run. Let's see if it actually works. There's that. Here we go. I say it works. There's one thing that I can actually see that some people might not like, especially if you have small hands. I don't. I got big hands. You do have to push these little side buttons in. I don't know if you can see that, but these little side buttons, you actually have to push those in before you can pull the trigger, because you see that doesn't work. You know, you have to kind of get up on it, push it in with your thumb, and do that. So, oh, hey, look at there. I even got a little, as you can see, the little light there. That's pretty cool. I actually can, so it's actually got a laser light, as you can see right there on the table. So this does come with a laser light, so you can actually cut at a straight line, which I definitely need because I never can cut in a straight line. I think it'll work out good. This will be good for me. Like I said, I've got big hands, so that's not going to be a problem for me. But just keep that in mind with this style. And it looks like Bauer has that on quite a bit of their circular saws, their jigsaw like this. If you do have small hands, that might be something that you want to look at the store before you purchase this. They have them displayed out. You can actually, you know, pick it up, try it, but you do have to hit that button before you can actually pull that trigger and actually gives it the power. So that's the only downside I see on this. And like I said, for me, won't be a problem. But for somebody with smaller hands, I can see that could be an issue for you. But that's your call. Now, you know, that depends on if you think you can use this or not. But for me, I think it'll be cool. This right here is your lock. There's a little button right here, so where it can do continuous, where you have this pressed in, and you can hit that, and it will continuous where you're not having to hold the button. So that might help you out as well. Some of the things here, it is, okay. I told you wrong. I'm sitting here reading this. This right here is actually for your laser. I actually thought it was a lock, but it's not. It's actually your laser, as you can see right here on the table now. And then you can take that and turn it off. Pretty sweet. So see what happens when you actually read the stuff that's on the box. You know, you can actually learn something, just like I did. What else we got? So you got your 4 different positions of your cutting. It looks like you got, that's pretty much really all your different variable speeds. So yeah, that's actually pretty good. So some of the specifics they have on here listed, they have on here saying that it's the stroke length is 1 inch, so you're technically going about 1 inch deep every time. That's your clearance. So if you've gotten anything over 1 inch, you're probably not going to cut it. But that's going to be your depth. Blade change is toolless. And it weighs just shy of 5 pounds. They're saying 4.9. I'm just going to be honest with you. Could be just because of how the angle and everything is built and where the handle is. The circular saw that I done a review on for y'all by Bauer, is shown to be at 5.5 pounds. This actually feels heavier than what that circular saw did. And they're saying this is 4.9. So it could be, like I said, just because of how the handles are, how they're made in a different angle, but this actually does feel heavier to me. It's showing that probably, they're showing towards their competitors that they're getting about 50% more run time with these. Honestly, I don't know, and I'm just going to tell you I don't know because I haven't tried every single brand that is out there. I have not had one of these in my Porter cable. That's one thing I didn't have. So, hey, I'm going to try it out. And like I said, I will do some more video content for these, just like I did with the circular saw. I'll probably do them both together, honestly. Just so see it in action in real world use, because that's what we buy them for. We buy them to use them, not just sit around. We buy it to actually build stuff. Why? Because we love to, or because your wife says you're going to build something for her. Yeah, that's a lot of it. But hey, I love doing it. She loves me for it. That's all that matters. So, with that being said, yeah, they don't have it. I hope y'all like these reviews. I've done a few of them now. Would love to hear comments. Would love for y'all to comment on my page. Just kind of give me some feedback of what you think. Don't be too negative, please. I'm kind of a sensitive guy, whatever. But like I said, if y'all have stuck with me this long and you've actually sat here and watched this as this, redneck is sitting here just mumbling over power tools because that's what I like, hit that follow button, subscribe. I would love it to see y'all on there. I would love for my followers to get, more than what I have now, which ain't a lot, but that's okay because I'm still going to do this. I'm still going to review these. And like I said, if you like this content, please subscribe, please follow, hit that bell, and I will try to have another review for y'all before too long. And as always, this is SEMO-MAC telling you to be nice to everyone and to enjoy life because it is short and we don't have a lot of time here on earth. But at the same time, while we're here, we can definitely make a difference in somebody's life. So, with that being said, this is SEMO-MAC out, and y'all have a blessed day.